dive into the ocean, the amazing world of seahorses. Hello, curious explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Dive into the Ocean. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of seahorses. These amazing creatures are like no other in the ocean. Let's embark on a fantastic journey to discover the secrets of seahorses. Introduction to seahorses. Seahorses are incredible fish that live in oceans all around the world. They come in various shapes and sizes, but they all share some unique features that make them truly special. These charming creatures, but they're unlike any fish you've ever seen. With their upright posture and curly tails, seahorses are the real ocean acrobats. Seahorse superpowers. But wait, there's more! Seahorses have some cool superpowers. Their eyes can move independently like tiny underwater periscopes, helping them keep a lookout for tasty treats and potential friends. Seahorses have a bony exoskeleton that protects their bodies. Unlike most fish, they swim upright and their tails are prehensile, meaning they can use them to grab onto things, just like monkeys use their tails. Seahorse colours and camouflage. And here's something fascinating. Seahorses are excellent at camouflage. They can change colour to blend in with their surroundings, helping them hide from predators. It's like they have their very own invisibility cloak. Seahorse homes. Now, where do these amazing seahorses live? They often make their homes in seagrasses and coral reefs, hiding among the swaying plants. It's like having a cozy underwater house with a garden view. Seahorse life cycle. Now let's talk about the seahorse life cycle. Did you know that it's the daddy seahorse that carries the baby seahorses? That's right! The mommy seahorse transfers her eggs to a special pouch on the daddy's belly, where he carries and protects them until they hatch. Seahorse friends. Seahorses are social creatures. They often hold tails with their seahorse friends to form a chain, making them look like they're dancing in the ocean. It's a seahorse celebration. Seahorse diet. Time for a snack. Seahorses have a unique way of eating. They don't have teeth or a stomach, so they suck in tiny prey like tiny shrimp through their snouts. It's like they're using a vacuum cleaner to catch their food. Bon appetit, little seahorses! Conservation! As budding ocean explorers, let's be the superheroes of the sea. It's essential for us to protect these magical creatures. Seahorses face challenges like habitat loss and overfishing, so let's all work together to keep our oceans clean and healthy. Conclusion. That wraps up our seahorse adventure, young explorers. We hope you've learned a ton about these extraordinary creatures. Remember, the ocean is full of wonders, so keep exploring and discovering the amazing world beneath the waves. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Subscribe for more educational adventures.